Welcome to the world of DIY wooden picture frames. Let's craft something truly special together. Start by selecting the perfect wood. Hardwoods offer durability, while softer woods are easier to work with. Proper preparation is key. Sand your wood smooth and ensure it's perfectly straight for professional results. Create perfect corners with precise 45-degree miter cuts. Take your time, accuracy is crucial here. Strengthen your frame by reinforcing miter joints. Wood glue and corner clamps ensure lasting durability. Use a router to add professional edges. A simple round over, or OG, can dramatically elevate your frame's look. Create a rabbet to securely hold your artwork. Use a router or table saw for this crucial recess. Elevate your frame's appearance with finishing touches. Sanding, staining, and varnishing protect and beautify your creation. Invest in quality tools. A miter, saw, router, and good clamps are essential for successful frame making. Save time with S4S wood and custom jigs. These pro techniques will boost your efficiency significantly. Achieve pinpoint accuracy with auxiliary fences and sleds. These tools ensure perfect cuts every time. Remember, each frame is a unique piece of art. Let your creativity flow and craft something truly special. Ready to start your frame making journey? Click the link below for more woodworking inspiration and tips.